Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to check battery health in Ampere app on your VIVO X300 Pro. So basically, if you want to check your full battery health on your VIVO, I'll recommend you to download Ampere app. To do it, open up Play Store and just type this in your search and download this app right here. So open it up, and as you can see, it's measuring my battery right now in amperes, milliamperes. And more things you can check here is the status, charging or discharging, plugged on battery, level of battery percentage, health of your battery, as you can see, is good, cycle count, technology, max capacity, temperature, voltage, and stuffs like manufacturer, model, Android version, and build ID. So you can see milliamperes here and heals right here. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.